2017 Toyota Tacoma TRD Sport, one owner, 11,000 miles. All original, literally brand new condition. Not a rock chip, not a scratch, not a flaw. All original, one senior owner. Backup camera, navigation, tow package. This is a like new vehicle. Not a hail dent, not a door ding, not a rock chip. Running boards, power sliding rear window, still smells like new. $11,000 miles. Backup camera, navigation. All maps and manuals are with the vehicle. This is a two-wheel drive. Back seats have never been sat in. Push button start, both proximity keys. All manuals. A 2017 Toyota Tacoma double cab TRD SR5, one owner, 11,000 original miles, in like new condition. Needs nothing mechanically, cosmetically, full factory warranty.